turn around. Like, not your face on one.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Natalie, and we're Team20, Penn Go, redesigning transportation for the Penn community. And I'm Julia.
I'm Jordan.
Yeah, and our advisor is Megan Ryerson. She's an expert in transportation, and we're also getting advising from Chris Murphy, who specializes in software engineering. So we did a survey of the Penn community and found that about over 70% of the Penn community don't ride Penn-affiliated transportation. And that can be for reasons like they don't know it exists, they don't know where the stops are, or the stops just don't work for them. So our vision is to optimize Penn-affiliated transportation system in a way that will increase its efficiency and its usage. So the ways that we're going to do that are kind of twofold. One is an application where the user can input their current location and desired destination. I'll put a ranked list of the viable routes. This includes Penn, Drexel, and some SEPTA loops that are free for us. And then the second part is a little more exciting. It involves systems optimization, and we basically want to predict demand at any location that the Penn community would want to travel to, and then suggest routes that may not exist to kind of redesign a transportation network around that. And our team communicates through text. We have weekly meetings, and then with our advisors, we also have weekly meetings.
Yes, so some of the components of our product, the big one is the Penn Transit app. To develop this, we're going to use iOS and Swift, and we're going to pull stuff from the Google Maps API, as well as SEPTA gave us a lot of their open source live tracking data, and we're going to work on getting that from Penn and Drexel as well. And then we also want to keep a database to hold like the popular destinations that people are currently at and where they're going, just in case you want to use that for our optimization part of the project. And then engineering standards, when we collect our data, we're going to maintain the privacy of the users, not keeping their information, just the places that they're going and what the times and stuff like that. And then budget, if we need to use AWS, the cost will be determined based on how big the database is. And then we also will need an Apple developer's license to post our app on the App Store.
So in terms of our milestones, what we've done the last few weeks and what we're planning to do for the next week or two is collect a lot of data and do a lot of research. So we sent out a survey to Penn students. We've also been riding the Penn buses, doing onboarding surveys with people getting on the bus and understanding what are the kind of demographics of people that ride the bus and where are they coming from and going. And then soon we're going to start our app development. So starting to create the app and create the algorithm for ranking routes, determining what are the best options for a student given their location and where they want to go. And then in terms of the optimization, we're going to create a census track matrix, which will help us model kind of mobility within the Penn community and create an algorithm that can best design the system based on our estimated demand for travel within the community. And then at the end of demo day, we'd like to have a working prototype of our app. For our spring semester plan, we're going to continue with the app development, hopefully incorporate some more functionality like location tracking with the student based on their map, as well as getting that live data from Penn and from Drexel on their bus tracking. And then through our data collection, we're going to continue to optimize the routes so we can help Penn best design their transportation system, as well as understand where we can eliminate a lot of the overlap between the three different systems and redesign the system to meet some of the more underutilized routes, while also eliminating a lot of eliminating a lot of unnecessary routes.
Thank you.